everybody, and welcome back to another video. In this video today we're going to be getting started with CSS animation. So the first thing when it comes to creating CSS animation is by creating the name of it, which I gave move, but this is the shorthand version of writing all the properties for our animation. We can also do, instead of doing animation then passing in these four values, we can also do animation name and then set it to move. That will do the exact same thing. So now we can just convert all that into the longhand version. So animation duration, that will just be 2 seconds, and then animation timing function will be linear, and then animation iteration count will be infinite. And I'm not going to really explain what these three property does, because in this video our main focus is just learning animation name, the property animation name. So let's get started. I'll just get rid of all this and start from scratch again. So basically we created a div and gave it the ID of square, and obviously when you create an empty div, nothing will appear in our browser because it's still empty. So now we can go to our style tags, or you can create a CSS file if you wish to, and I'll just change my background color of my browser orange. So I'll do background orange, and that should do the work. Yep, so now that turned orange. And the next thing we have to do is select our square by typing $, then the ID of it that we gave it. And we'll just do background white so that it shows up on the orange background, but it still doesn't show up because we have to give it dimensions. So we'll just do width 170 pixels, height will be 170 pixels, and then animation name will be move, and we'll just do position absolute, top 40%, which will move it down a little bit, as you can see now somewhere over here, and then left 30%, which should move it somewhere roughly over here. Yes. And obviously our square doesn't work yet. That's because the only thing we gave it is its name. What its name allows us to do is that we can call our keyframes and then pass in the name for our animation name. And that still doesn't work because we have to include the other properties like iteration count, timing function, and duration, which we will talk about in my next 3 videos. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys learned something new from this video. If you did, feel free to subscribe and drop a like. And also comment down below what you want to see next, or if you have any video requests. And I accept any feedbacks or any recommendations from you guys, so let me know in the comments below. And other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.